Watching traffic in Saigon is endlessly entertaining. There are so many vehicles, especially motorcycles, but you've got your cars and buses and trucks as well. But there are so many vehicles, and not only that, but the rules for getting through the intersections are quite interesting, if there are any. The only rule I can see that I know of is you've got a red plus sign, and that tells the traffic to stop. How do they know when to go? Well, it turns off. like there's no green, it just turns off, and that's the signal to go. Now the other side has the red plus over there, which makes me wonder, what do you do when the power goes out, if there's ever a power outage? Because then you would have both directions with nothing signaling to go, and you would end up with what I presume to be a lot of accidents. But I don't know, this is Saigon. I would imagine with this kind of chaos there would be many accidents, but there doesn't seem to be that many. Now, just with the sheer number of people trying to make left turns and right turns and go straight through, it's amazing. It's amazing. Now, luckily this is one of the few intersections where there is a crosswalk, and funny enough, there is, I don't know if you can see it on the video, but there is a green little man there telling you that you can walk across. But there's nothing to tell the actual cars that they can go through. Oh, there's the red plus, so now they got to stop again. I don't understand that. There's got to be some kind of logic to it, but I don't know what it is. I would just think that a power outage would be a very serious problem around here. But I don't know, apparently not. There must be a reason for it. So yeah, if you're ever in Saigon, you can look forward to being massively entertained by the traffic. I could just watch it all day.